Introduction to HTTP methods.
The HTTP methods are the fundamental building blocks of communication between clients and servers in web development. In REST APIs, 4 essential methods, get, post, put, and delete, define how data is accessed and managed. Knowing when and how to use these methods is key for building efficient, reliable applications. Let's explore what each method does and their typical real-life use cases.
Get, retrieving information.
The get method is used to request and retrieve data from a server. It's read-only, meaning it doesn't change or update any information. When you open a web page or search for data, you're likely using get. For example, accessing product details in an online store or viewing all posts in a blog relies on the get method.
Post, creating new resources.
The post method sends new data to the server, often creating a new resource. It's commonly used when submitting a registration form, adding a comment, or uploading a file. Post requests typically include data in their body, such as user input details, and the server responds by storing the new information and returning confirmation.
Put, updating existing data.
The put method modifies or replaces existing data on the server. It's often used when editing user profiles or updating product information. With put, the client sends the complete updated data for the resource, and the server overwrites the existing resource with this new data, ensuring changes are saved.
Delete, removing data.
The delete method is used to remove existing resources from the server. It's the go-to choice when you want to permanently delete an item, such as removing a user account or deleting a post. Once a delete request is processed, the specified data is no longer available.
Summary, choosing the right method.
Each HTTP method has a specific role: get for retrieving, post for creating, put for updating, and delete for removing data. Using the correct method makes APIs more predictable, secure, and reliable. Understanding these basics is essential for anyone developing or integrating with RESTful APIs.